Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about 3 steps that can change your life. Number 1. Military sleep technique. 2-minute army trick. Lie flat and start by relaxing your face muscles. Unclench your jaw, soften your eyes, and drop your tongue. Let your shoulders sink. Relax your arms, chest, and finally your legs from thighs to toes. Once your body feels heavy, clear your thoughts. If your mind races, imagine lying in a canoe on calm water under the night sky. Within 2 minutes, your brain shuts down and you drift into sleep. Number 2. 4-7-8. Breathing method. Close your eyes and place your tongue behind your top teeth. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds with a whoosh sound. Do this 4 cycles. This technique lowers stress, relaxes your nervous system, and brings sleep naturally. Number 3. Muscle relaxation with visualization. Start at your toes. Tense the muscles for 5 seconds, then release. Move upward. Legs, stomach, arms, shoulders, neck, and face. With each release, imagine a peaceful picture. Walking barefoot on soft sand, floating on water, or watching clouds drift. Your body becomes loose, your mind calms, and sleep arrives smoothly.